Hello, this is Kenji again with another joyful tune-in for the day, for the week, for the month. Today we're going to do your blessed inner child. So we have many aspects to our beingness, one of which is symbolically referred to as the inner child. There are many different levels to the inner child. The wounded inner child, the playful inner child, the healed and happy inner child, the abandoned inner child. But today, we're just going to work on your inner child in general. And we're going to make a deeper connection with this aspect of you so that any part of you that is ready for healing from your early childhood or your birthing experience, or even your in utero womb experience, that can be addressed by you, the higher self. So find a comfortable place, relax, take your shoes off. Let's take a moment to breathe deeply, relaxing the mind, the nervous system, relaxing all the muscles in your body, shoulders, toes, fingers, jaw, forehead, eyelids. Moving into a nice deep state of relaxation. Breathing in the light, exhaling, just simply letting go. Breathing in, letting go. Disengage from tribal conscious, the chaos of the world, letting go of everything having to do with earth life for a moment, and people, places, and things. And begin to move awareness now through a golden arc of light into the quantum, into the spaciousness of inner space. And from this higher dimension of your inner space, you're going to call forth aspects of your inner child that are still fragmented or need healing from physical and emotional experiences growing up, or from birthing trauma, in utero trauma, babyhood, infanthood, toddlerhood, preschool, daycare, first years going to school. And ask your inner child to just step forward into your awareness. And you're going to observe the face of your inner child, the body posture of your inner child, the clothes that your inner child is wearing, the scenery perhaps of where your inner child or your inner children are. And you're going to simply embrace your inner child. You're going to once again fully love, adore, support, and acknowledge your inner child, that beautiful, innocent part of you. Fully accepting where your inner child is at, fully embracing your inner child without reservations, without judgments. Fully embracing your baby. And simply being one with your inner child. And giving permission for your inner child to fully express whatever it is wishing to communicate to you, fully embracing, acknowledging your inner child. And to tell your inner child now that it's time to come home. It is time to heal. It is time to merge with the rest of you. And give your inner child to be fearless, to stand strong, and to express its innate divine wisdom and intelligence, love, and truth. Embrace your inner child in golden, beautiful golden light. Beautiful golden light. And as you come back to the room and to the body, on whatever level that is most appropriate, stay connected to your inner child for the rest of the day, into the evening, even to dream time, supporting your inner child completely, loving your inner child, acknowledging your inner child, and thanking your inner child for its beauty and its love and its truth and its wisdom. Feel free to go to kenjikumara.com at any time. Check out our new offerings and programs. We will be creating many new things in the very near future. So until then, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed life. Blessings to your inner child.